vulnerability assessment is a systematic process of identifying, evaluating, and addressing security weaknesses in an organization's IT environment. Think of it as a proactive measure to ensure that you're secure from potential threats. In today's digital age, where cyber attacks are more sophisticated and frequent, vulnerability assessments are essential in safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining business continuity. There are different types of vulnerability assessments tailored to various components of an IT infrastructure. These include network vulnerability assessments, which focus on identifying security flaws in network devices such as routers, switches, and firewalls. Web application vulnerability assessments, which aims to uncover vulnerabilities in web apps. Wireless network assessments, which evaluates the security of wireless networks, identifying weaknesses that could be exploited by unauthorized users. Conducting a vulnerability assessment involves several key steps: planning, scanning, analysis, and reporting. Planning is where you define the scope and objectives of the assessment. Determine which systems and applications need to be evaluated. Scanning utilizes specialized tools to scan for vulnerabilities. This step helps in identifying potential security weaknesses. Analysis. Analyze the scan results to understand the severity and implication and impact of the identified vulnerabilities. Reporting. Generate a detailed report outlining the findings along with recommendations for remediation. Now, you might be wondering, why should I invest in a vulnerability assessment? Here are some key benefits. Identify security risks. Early detection of vulnerabilities allows you to address them before they can be exploited by cyber criminals. Mitigate potential threats. Implementing the recommended fixes helps in reducing the risk of data breaches and other cyber incidents. Compliance. Many industry regulations require regular vulnerability assessments to ensure compliance with security standards. Peace of mind. Knowing that your systems are secure gives you confidence to focus on your core business activities. Vulnerability assessments play a pivotal role in maintaining a secure IT environment. Looking ahead, the field of vulnerability assessment is evolving with advancements in technology. AI and machine learning are being integrated into assessment tools, making them more efficient in identifying and prioritizing vulnerabilities. Additionally, continuous monitoring and automated assessments are becoming more prevalent, enabling real-time detection of security weaknesses. In conclusion, vulnerability assessments are a critical component of a robust cybersecurity strategy. They help in identifying and mitigating potential security risks, ensuring that your systems remain secure.